competing in 2016 when all of them are 12 and under. Though they did not place back then, they kept practicing and competing. In 2019, their hard work began to pay off as they secured a few top 3 placements. Last year in 2022, they took first place in Showdown for Hope. First in Merced, first in La Crosse, first in Stockton, first in Sacramento, and finished the year with another first place in Fresno. Their love for Hmong dance and engagement in the community was recognized by the city, and for the first time in the history of Hmong dance. The city proclaimed January 5th as Vinh Dao Gong Xia Day. Though they love competing, their favorite thing to do is sharing the stage with many Hmong dance brothers and sisters across the nation. Finally, let us begin and welcome Stockton Hmong New Year's Grand Champion of 2022, Vinh Dao Gong Xia.